Hi! In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Following that, tap on Face Unlock under Unlock Options and enter your current login method. Now you need to rotate your device to portrait position and click on I agree at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're ready, select Done, also at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, face data was successfully added. So now, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!